All right, good morning. Welcome back to another video. This is unit 9.1, and we are going to be learning about circles and circumference. So our learning intention is that you'll be able to find the circumference of a circle. You'll know you're successful when you can explain the relationship between the diameter and circumference of a circle, and when you can use a formula to find the circumference of a circle. So I have some key terms up here for you. And these are things that you have definitely seen in 6th grade, but we're going to cover them anyway, just to make sure you know what they are before we get started. So the first one is circle. Circle is the set of all points in the plane that are the same distance from a point called the center. Okay, and then semicircle is 1/2 of a circle. And we have center. The center of the circle is identified by the dot in the middle. It is the same distance from all points on the circle. Okay, so if you look down here at our diagram at the bottom, you'll see that black dot right there. That is the center. So if I started here and went anywhere from the center to the circumference, it's going to be the same distance no matter which spot I start at. Then we have diameter, which is noted by D. So if you see a formula that has the letter D in it, that is for diameter, and it is the distance from one point on a circle through the center to another part of the circle. Then you have circumference, which is noted as C. So again, if you see C in a formula, that is for circumference, and that is just the perimeter of the circle. Radius is R. Radius is the straight line from the center to the circumference of the circle. If you look here down at our diagram, you'll see diameter here. It starts from one side of the circumference straight through to the other side. And then radius starts at the center, and it just goes from the center to one point at the circumference. So it's like the halfway point where diameter goes all the way through. And then we have pi. Pi is notated by this cool symbol here, and that is the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter. So here are some formulas you will need to know. So this is diameter. Diameter is D, and that's 2 times R. So 2 times our radius. Radius is noted as R, and that's diameter divided by 2, which makes sense, right? Because radius is half of the diameter. Then we have circumference. Circumference is pi times diameter, or 2 times pi times R, or the radius. Semicircle, to find that, is pi times diameter divided by 2. Okay, so those are some formulas you're going to want to know. Let's flip over the page. So there are some guided practice here. The top portion of these shows you how to find the diameter. So this one says the diameter of a circle is 20 feet, find the radius. This has all of the answers here, walks you through all the steps, and then you're going to try it. So this one, you're going to find the radius of the circle, so you're going to find the diameter, and then you get to try it here. And this one, you're going to use 3.14 for pi to find circumference. This one, you're going to use 22/7 for pi to find circumference. And here, you're going to find the semicircle. So read through the guided practice that I have here on the page and give it a try for each one of those sections.